a reminder to what? Click. Click below where it says a circle of it's a picture. That means subscribe. And hit the bell to be notified. What else? Like also and share. Thank you. Yeah, you're recording. Okay, I'm talking about. Okay, how to go? Why do I do that? When I don't know what to say, I just smile. Okay, that'll work. Let's start over. Welcome to Linda's Chronicles. How are you today? Yes. Another work from home you can do if you feel comfortable. Or you can have somebody work along with you as a co-guest or relative near you to help you do this. I'm talking about Airbnb. Airbnb. Airbnb is like, how can I explain it? You like a hotel. People come and stay. You can say the minimum days that you want them to stay. I said 2, at least 2. 1, I'm not making no money. At least 2 nights. Okay? You can put down the amount of money you want to do. Some people put 25, but they done lost their mind. I'm not going to be putting up with people and spending money for 25. No. But I had mine at 39. But I did give a discount of $2.50, I think. So I did that, and she asked me for 2 nights, will I do 75 instead of, I think it was, how much was it? 78, I think is what it's supposed to be. And I said, sure, no problem. Okay, so they pay Airbnb first. They pay them first before they come to my house. So that's a good thing. We got our money. All I got to do is act right. Stay out their way, give them the room, check ID. You can, I do. You can check the ID. But the office have everything on them. So, they have they verify stuff. But to make yourself feel comfortable too, you can make sure that's the person name that matches the one that's supposed to be coming. And then some cases I don't like is when they don't have a picture. They have a picture of their cat. Picture of a cat. I guess they don't want nobody to know that they're doing Airbnb. So, you figure. Yeah, I guess they want their privacy. Okay. And that I didn't like. So, you, if you can see there when they come, check the name. Because you don't want no nickname. You want the real name. And just make sure you put on your rules, no guests to come to your house. No other guests. Because you can say if you want one person to come and visit or 2 people. A lot of times people come in 2s. So, let's do it in 2s. To come together. Yeah. But you can have somebody in the house with you when you have your visitors come. Yes. I was babysitting and had my relatives at the house too. Yeah, to make sure. Shall I tell the truth? I didn't sleep good. I didn't sleep that good the night before. I was cleaning up like a mad woman, like a crazy woman. It was already clean, but I don't know. I was trying not to panic. Because I'll panic, But I kept myself calm. I just threw all that junk in my closet. I had already organized my closet, but it just seemed other stuff to clutter. Because I had to clean out the hall closet. For another guest can sleep there while I sleep on the sofa. While we're trying to watch the guest. I shouldn't say watch the guest, but entertain the guest. Yeah. Yeah. Some people don't talk much, so don't be talking too much. Keep your mouth closed. Don't run your guests off unless they want to talk. Yeah, unless they want to talk. Okay? Some people are quiet. Let them have their privacy. Give them the Wi-Fi. Give them the Wi-Fi so they can, play with their toy, their computer. What else? Oh, and then they'll ask you, say it right. Some people say it wrong. Airbnb. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm telling you to say it right. Let me look. I closed it out. I, Air is Airbnb. Airbnb. Yeah. Yeah. If I'm saying it wrong, forgive me. I think I'm saying it right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So even for example, like my guest, she didn't stay. She stayed one night. She didn't stay the other night because she was trying to find an apartment, and she was waiting for. She had already applied online, and she was, trying to make sure she got it. She wasn't for sure if she's going to get it or not. But her aunt was helping her, and her aunt came to help her, and stuff like that. My aunt was very nice, very sociable. But so she didn't stay the second night. Okay, so she returned the key. She's very polite. Make sure they do the checkout process right. 'Cause instead of just jump up and leave and don't say nothing, and they got your key. So y'all know how to change lock. It'd be a good habit to know how to change your locks. Yeah, yeah. Or pay somebody to change your locks. Because when you rotate your locks, because people, might have made a copy of your key, but you should have a deadbolt lock on top so you can lock that deadbolt lock, just in case somebody have an extra copy of your key and you did not what? You did not even have a chance to change the locks. Okay? Yeah. What else? Tell you. Yeah. So I made what? $75. She didn't stay long at all. Regardless if she stayed or not, that's my minimum. If you leave and do something else, that's your business. Yeah, so I was sitting here. So I used my desk. I felt out of place not being in my room. I had to use my desk as my to do my other work from home. So that's where I'm sitting at. See, my TV's right here. Wait. My TV's right here in front of me. And I put the other chair there. And I'm like, I never thought about that. Put my chair right here so I can work. And then my grandbaby, I did the envelope, right, to mail out, and I had it on the floor. He colored all over my envelope. I'm like, what is this? I'm trying to multitask. I gotta make sure I'm watching. He had a good time though. Yeah. But yeah, that's the Airbnb. Yeah. So you should have shampoo, conditioner, toilet paper in the restroom, please. And sink clean, the restroom clean, the toilet clean, up and down, toilet clean. What else? What else? Oh, you should have white sheets, but I didn't have white sheets. I don't know where my white sheets are. I have a white sheet set, but I couldn't find it. That's how it is when you really need to do something. So I said, no, I'm going to go with my other set, my colorful set. It was black. So I'm like, whatever. Yeah, but I'm going to buy a white set because it's easy to put Clorox in it and whatever, and the pillowcases too. Okay, that's about it. I don't want to talk you to death, but yeah, you sign up for Airbnb online. I had did it a long time ago. My son told me about it, but because he always do Airbnb when he go out of town. But I did it, but I never did do it. But then I had problem. I had one problem I was having when I moved after the storm. I ain't gonna go into it. I'll talk about it later on another video. I had to get all that under control before I had did the Airbnb. But everything got under control. Yeah, so everything worked out. I'm happy. Okay, that's it. So if you want to try it, make sure you can have somebody in the house with you. Don't do it by yourself. Have somebody in the house with you, a guest or whatever. Pay them something, feed them or whatever. Somebody who's not busy, somebody who's tired, or somebody who's off for the summer, or somebody else in the house, cousin, anybody, relative, not doing nothing. Homeboy, homegirl. Pay them a few dollars just to hang around with something or feed them. Yeah. Okay, that's about it. Yeah. So good luck if you decide to do it. Later. Much love. Peace. Later. Bye. Yeah. I'm happy it's over with. Oh, no, this is what I want to tell you. This is what I want to tell you. Should I tell the truth? Okay, the night before, it was Father's Day, right? So went out with my family and all that kind of stuff, And we had a nice seat. We was on the second floor. What was that place name? Cyclone something. It was Memorial City, but it was nice, real nice. We had a very nice seat on top. And see, I didn't sleep good that night, and I told my son I didn't sleep. Everybody was around and stuff. And I said, I need to sleep. And my son, I said, I need something I don't drink, but I told him I need something to drink. I said, order me something, whatever you think is good. Something gonna put me to sleep when I go home. It was what? Tequila and something. I don't know tequila and what. I only basically drink tequila when I'm sick or, from school or something. Them kids and viruses going around. But no, I had stayed up panicking about this Airbnb thing. That's the truth. I panicked. Yes, I couldn't sleep, tossing in a third, and I couldn't sleep. I probably looked tired too. And he gave me that. I forgot what it was mixed with. It was chilled with some ice. And I really didn't want to eat. I didn't have appetite too much, so I kind of took 2 bites of the food. That food's expensive, but it's all right. My son paid for it. But anyway, that food was expensive. But anyway, I took it home, and then I was still drinking. And I wasn't thinking, you drinking on an empty stomach going to make you mighty happy. So when I came home, my neighbor, right, I am not a drinker unless I am sick. When I came home, my neighbor's upstairs. My neighbor say, how you doing? And this is what I did. My hand went up in the air. I said, I'm fine. He probably said, oh, Lord. I'm telling people, no drinking in my house and no smoking. And I got drunk. Tipsy. I got tipsy. And I got tipsy. But I tell you one thing. When I got up in this house, I went to sleep. She was in and out of whatever. I was dead asleep. I didn't hear nothing. But my guest was here. So he was paying attention. But, I was dead asleep. On the sofa. Yeah. So that's all I had to share. That's the truth. Don't do what I did. Don't do what I did. You don't have to drink. You don't. Just have somebody around you and make sure you go to sleep and let them help you. Okay? Okay. Love you much. Bye. Peace. Later. Yeah. Okay. One more thing. You got to set up your method of payment. That is so important. With your address and email address where they can contact you. My message came through my text message on my phone that they had somebody for me. And a lot of times I don't be paying attention, but thank God I was paying attention. I didn't just delete it because I thought it was junk. You have to pay attention. Okay? But you got to set up your pay method, how you want to get paid, straight to the bank or PayPal. I set up PayPal because I like that better because I can pay quickly within a few hours. But I think people have to stay, I think one night or something like that, so many hours, and then you get paid. It ain't long. So then you get paid, it don't take long to get paid. So with the PayPal, so go straight to my account. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. Because if you go with the bank route or whatever, I think it takes 3 to 5 days. You may not want to wait that long if you have things to do. Okay, that's it. Payment method is important. Okay, later.